Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to turn on or off default print service on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, yung have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, tap the connections. And connections, okay, you can see the more connection settings, tap this. And okay guys, here and more connection settings, okay, you can see the printing, tap the printing. And printing services, okay, you can see the default print service is off. And okay guys, to turn on this, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, okay, you can turn off this by switch off the switch button again. And okay guys, I decide to turn on the default print service on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off default print service on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.